Electrical discharge machining (EDM) begins with the precise gap between the electrode and workpiece. A pulse power supply breaks down the insulating medium, forming a high-frequency pulse discharge channel, instantly melts and ablates the metal workpiece. A small gap is maintained between the electrode and the workpiece, and the dielectric fluid breaks down under high voltage. The entire machining process is precisely controlled by a CNC system, initially customizing electrodes based on the workpiece contour, then connecting both the workpiece and the electrode to a pulse power supply, and immersing them in an insulating working fluid. As the electrode steadily advances, sparks continuously erupt, gradually eroding the metal bit by bit. Complex internal cavities, irregular curved surfaces, or intricate microstructures thus take shape amidst the silent sparks. Compared to traditional cutting, electrical discharge machining does not require direct mechanical contact, enabling effortless processing of even extremely hard materials such as hardened steel and carbide can be machined with ease. This process excels at creating intricate geometries that are challenging or impossible for conventional methods, making it a key technology for achieving high precision and complexity in mold manufacturing and precision component production. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome your attention subscription. Welcome to leave a message in the comment area and consultation to get more industry information.